In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Beehiiv referral code. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go inside your account, how to join the partner program if you haven't already, and where to grab the link you can share to start earning. First, make sure you're logged into your Beehiiv account and head over to your main Beehiiv dashboard. This is the page you usually see when you sign in, where you manage your newsletter, view your subscribers, and check your metrics. It's important you're in the correct account, especially if you manage multiple publications, because your referral link will be tied to this specific account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option labeled Partner Dashboard. This might be in your main navigation menu or in a sidebar, depending on any layout changes, but it will clearly reference Partner or Partner Program. Go ahead and click on that. The Partner Dashboard is where Beehiiv manages referrals, payouts, and performance tracking. So this is the central place you'll use for anything related to your referral code. If this is your first time here, you'll be taken to a short onboarding flow for the partner program. On this screen, you'll see a drop-down labeled something like "What best describes you?" Click on the drop-down that says "Select an option." Beehiiv uses this question to understand how you plan to promote them. So just choose the option that most closely matches you and your situation. For example, whether you're a creator, an agency, or another type of partner. Pick one option and confirm your choice. Next, you'll see a checkbox asking you to accept and agree to the partner terms of service. Take a moment to at least skim these terms so you understand how referrals, commissions, and payout rules work. When you're ready, click the checkbox to indicate that you agree. After that, click on the button that says Join Partner Program. This confirms your enrollment. Beehiiv will process that quickly, and once it's done, you'll be redirected back into the partner dashboard interface. Now you'll see your unique referral link displayed on the screen. This is your Beehiiv referral code in link form. You'll usually see a share and earn button or something similar next to it. From here, you can copy the link, share it across your social channels, add it to your website, or send it directly to people. You'll also notice a dashboard area where you can track clicks, signups, and conversions tied to your referral link, so you can monitor exactly how your promotions are performing over time.